Hi, I'm Kurumi and this is kurumicooks. This video shows you how to make classic miso soup. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. 1 liter of Japanese stock, 2.5 heaped tablespoons of white miso, 300 grams of soft tofu diced into small cubes. This is the tofu I'm using. Lastly, 2 spring onions finely chopped. Put the stock into a pan and turn on the heat. Then add the tofu. Bring to the boil and cook over a medium heat for about 3 minutes. Now you need to add miso. Use a ladle to dissolve the miso into the soup like this, so that you don't break up the tofu. Bring the soup back to boiling point, then turn off the heat. It's important not to leave the heat on once the soup has come to the boil, as this will change the flavor. Add the spring onion, then you are ready to serve. Your miso soup is ready. Thanks for watching. Here are the ingredients and the how-to for the recipe. Please subscribe and visit my website kurumicooks for more Japanese recipes. Bye bye!